Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is Tibro Paul, and today we will be solving absolute value equations algebraically. Now, if you haven't watched our previous video on absolute value, it'll be linked in the description below as well as the top right hand corner of your screen. Please check that video out before watching this one. First of all, absolute value equations differ from linear equations in that they may have two solutions. To indicate this, we use a disjunction, which is a mathematical statement created by connecting two other statements with the word or. In order to solve absolute value equations algebraically, we first need to isolate the absolute value expression on one side of the equation, the same way you would isolate a variable. Then, we can use the rule if the absolute value of x is equal to a, where a is a positive number, then x is equal to a, or x is equal to negative a. So, for this first equation, we need to solve the absolute value of 4x minus 5. To do that, we can simply add 2 to both sides, and then divide both sides by 3. That leaves us with the absolute value of 4x minus 5 is equal to 7. Using the rule, we can rewrite the two equations to be 4x minus 5 is equal to 7 and 4x minus 5 is equal to negative 7. Now, we simply solve like a normal linear equation by adding 5 to all four sides and then solving for x to get x is equal to 3 or x is equal to a negative half. Now, absolute value equations will not always have two solutions. When the absolute value expression is equal to a negative number, there is no solution because absolute value is never negative. When the absolute value is equal to 0, there is a single solution because 0 is its own opposite. Here are two examples of such cases. For the first equation, if we subtract 2 from both sides, and then divide by negative 5, we are left with the absolute value of x plus 1 is equal to negative 2. Because absolute value is negative, there is no solution. For the next example, we can add 3 to both sides, and then divide both sides by 5 to get the absolute value of 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. We can rewrite this as one equation, 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. We can now add 4 to both sides and divide by 2 to get x is equal to 2. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Be sure to watch our other videos on absolute value and check the description below for other helpful resources. Thanks for watching.